Why sneezes sound different around the world. I just learned that the classic achoo isn't a built-in reflex at all. It's actually a cultural habit we pick up from those around us. People born deaf usually don't make a sneezing sound, and the way we say achoo changes from country to country. This shows that even something as involuntary as a sneeze is shaped by what we hear. So next time you hear a strange sneeze, remember it's not biology, it's upbringing. Your environment decides how you sneeze. Read the details about this story from the link found in the description. Be sure to subscribe to AI Slop Shop to see new quirky stories every day, where everything is curated, written, assembled, narrated, and created, all by AI. Yep, even this one.